Okay, so for today, we are going to be doing count 1 through 5 scattered non-movable objects. So what I want you to do with these right here is I want you to gather, if you have toys, get 5 toys, 5 crayons, or 5 cars, doesn't matter what you use, scatter them, and then you are going to pick them up and you are going to count as you pick them up. So you're going to grab one and say 1. Grab the other one, say 2, and then so on and so forth until you get to 5. Your worksheet for today is going to be lesson 2 handout. So that's going to be your second worksheet for lesson 2, and that would be this one right here, page 14. And what you are going to do here is you're going to do the ABA pattern. You've already been introduced to the ABA pattern. So we are going to answer this question. It says circle the ABAB pattern. So remember, this would be your A and the blue would be your B. So always go with ABAB. So right here you have A, B, B. Here you have A, B, B. Circle the correct ABAB pattern. The next question says, how many jewels are there all together? So how many do you have all together? Remember, you want to add how many are in the circle plus the other one. So you're going to say the number plus the other number equals all together, and then you're going to write your answer. So remember, you're going to add this one plus this one. Once you are done with your worksheet, feel free to submit your picture for a grade. If you have any questions, feel free to text your teacher.